everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the one and only ApeCoin. As you guys know, I invested $35,000 into ApeCoin at $13.70. And literally, the first day that I invested, it started dropping big time. My $35,000 became $25,000 that same day. I was losing $10,000 on day one of investing in ApeCoin. But I held on and now we have fully recovered. I'm in the money right now. Not much, probably like around $100, but it still feels good that I have recovered my $10,000 that I have been losing since I invested into ApeCoin. And now let me give you a couple of reasons why I'm able to hold these high risk projects even when the price drops big time and I start losing money. Reason number one is I only invest money that I'm willing to lose. I do this for all the high risk plays, such as NFTs, metaverse projects, meme coins, anything that I believe is super risky. I only invest money that I'm willing to lose. If the $35,000 that I invested in ApeCoin goes to zero, I'll be perfectly fine. Yeah, I will be a little bit mad that I lost $35,000, but life will go on and I will still continue to invest in these high risk projects simply because they offer a ton of potential to make life changing money. Investing $35,000 into Bitcoin, I can make a safe return. But in these high risk plays such as meme coins, NFTs, metaverse projects, that $35,000 can become $100,000, $200,000, possibly even $500,000. So I'm definitely willing to take the risk in order to make these massive profits. Reason number two is because I believe in the project. I believe ApeCoin is going to be a huge success and it is going to make me a ton of money in the process. Also guys, the team behind ApeCoin, they know what they are doing. They have a track record of success. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the most successful NFT collections in the entire world. The cheapest one right now is selling for $250,000. It definitely takes a lot of brains and a lot of skills to sell JPEGs for $250,000. But the team behind ApeCoin, I believe they are amazing and I believe they're going to do the same thing for ApeCoin. And I can easily see ApeCoin being in the top 10 on CoinMarketCap and the price of Ape being over $100 per coin. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. That is all I have for you guys in this video. And remember, sometimes it pays to hold on and diamond hand the project when times are very rough, because the recovery is just around the corner. And right now, in my opinion, we are experiencing another recovery. If this recovery continues, we can see a massive bull run in crypto. And hopefully that happens. I have another video coming probably in the next couple of hours showing you guys why I'm so bullish in crypto right now. A lot of good news, and I believe all-time highs are coming once again. Stay tuned for that video, and remember, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. This is not financial advice. Do your own research and do what is right for your portfolio. ApeCoin to the moon. Peace out.